Hi guys, this is Faithful with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me this Sunday afternoon. I am excited to do this DIY with you guys. I saw a picture from Pinterest with this wall shelf, and as I was thinking about it, I believe we can achieve similar look. So the inspiration is from Pinterest, and what you're going to need for this DIY is 2 of the Dollar Tree hula hoops. You're going to need 2 of the Dollar Tree love signs, and I went ahead and started to cut out the ends. No measurement, not a big deal. All you do is put your hoops together, and I will go through the process for you so you're able to see how I achieve that. I just basically place my hoops however the width of this this board, and just drew a line how I want it. So there isn't quite, it's self-explanatory. It's not really a big deal. It may seem complicated, but it's not. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for choosing to watch. I hope that you'll love this DIY and decide to become a subscriber. Let's jump right into this DIY. You need the 2 hula hoops. You need the 2 Dollar Tree love signs. You will need some burlap, and I got this from Walmart, and it was $5.98 for the whole entire roll, guys. Great buy. You'll need the Dollar Tree rope. You'll need your glue gun, glue sticks. You will need scissors, and you also will need razor or a knife. You'll need a pen, and I don't believe I'm going to add any gems or diamond wraps. So let's jump right in and see how this shelf. You want to remove them from your sign, and you may rip your board a bit. It's not real board, but it's not a problem. You can sand that down. To go ahead and spray paint it, and then use my burlap to wrap the top. Now I must tell you that I did crack a few of them as I was trying to cut the hole out, so I had to put some hot glue. I don't think it's going to be a problem because we are going to secure it with the glue and also our rope. So I'm going to go ahead, run out, spray paint these. I'm not quite sure what color, probably brown. I want to go for a rustic look. So let's go ahead, spray paint these 4 items. Okay guys, so this is how the hula hoop turned out. Now I must tell you, it took a while to dry. I went ahead and cut out my burlap, and now I want to glue it together. I'm going to trim some of these pieces up. So now I want to feel for where my cutouts are, because I did go ahead and cover it up, and then I'm going to trim it. This is the time you want to get rid of all loose pieces. So I did cover the hole, and now I'm going to cut it open. So this is why you need your scissors. Flip it up and trim it away. Then you will have your opening, just like that. Okay guys, so here we are with our cutouts. Now I want to take my hula hoops and I want to begin to glue them down. So I think I'm going to start with one first. Take my shelf and go ahead and place it where you need it to be. However low you can handle it. Then you're going to lay some glue down. Let's do a generous amount. Okay, so once you've got that in and you feel as though it's dry, want to make sure you take your clean sides that is covered, and they're both going to be in the same direction. Go ahead and put your shelf in. Okay guys, go ahead and flip it over and apply some more of your glue on the back. Lay my glue down and stretch it across, hold it in place, and I'm not going to wrap it. I'm just going to go all the way around on the straight lines first, and then I'll come back and wrap it in a circle. And I did that on one side, and I really like the way that that turned out. So I'm going to do the same for the top. Wanted to share that with you guys, and so I'm just going to continue to go around. Okay guys, so now I'm going to lay your glue down, generous amount of glue, onto your burlap. Then you're going to take your rope, start in the corner, and wrap all the way around. Hold it in place to make sure it sticks on the glue. Then you're going to wrap. Tug on it a bit, make sure it's tight. Add a little bit more glue on your rope for your second level. And then you can add glue where you want to cut. Go ahead and cut off your excess. Press in place and let dry. I'm going to do this other side, then I'll flip it over, do the same onto the other side. Okay guys, so I decided I wanted to take it one step further, so I'm going to create a rope flower like this. And so in order to do that, I just take the rope, bend it with some glue, and now I'm going to roll. That's as easy as it gets. Add some glue and continue rolling. So once you've gained your 4, you're going to go ahead, lay some glue down, and take your Dollar Tree gems, those new beautiful gems they've got now, and just lay it right into the center of that, just like that. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Absolutely love it. I actually tied a rope onto the top and hot glue it so I can hang it from a nail. Truly love the way that that turned out. I hope you do too. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate you. I appreciate your time and your support. I will see you on my next DIY.